Welcome to this DelfStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to find archived emails in Gmail. Archived emails are removed from the inbox but are still safely stored in your Gmail account. First, open Gmail in your web browser and sign in with your account. Next, in the left sidebar, click on More to expand additional options. Select All Mail to view all emails, including archived ones. Browse the list or use the search bar to locate the archived emails you need. Archived emails do not appear in your inbox label, which helps identify them. Once found, open the email and click Move to Inbox if you want to restore it. The email will immediately appear back in your inbox. That's it. We just learned how to locate archived emails in Gmail and move them back to the inbox if needed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelfStack tutorial videos.